In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the AI in Replit. If you've been using Replit for your coding projects, you might have noticed the AI-powered features that assist with code suggestions and completions. While these features can be incredibly helpful, there are times you might prefer to disable them to reduce distractions or to challenge yourself to code independently. Let's walk through the process of disabling these AI features step by step. To start, make sure you're logged into your Replit workspace. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the workspace. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that to access additional options related to your workspace. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select User Settings. This is where you can personalize various aspects of your Replit experience, including the behavior of AI features. Now, within the User Settings panel, you want to focus on the Code Editing section. This section holds all the settings related to how your code editor behaves and interacts with you. Within this section, you'll find controls related to AI-powered features like code suggestions and completions. These are the features that aim to make coding faster by predicting what you might want to type next. To disable these AI features, you'll need to find the toggle option labeled something along the lines of AI code completion. It might have a slightly different name, but look for anything that mentions AI or code completion. Once you've found it, simply switch the toggle to the off position. Turning this off means that the AI-driven autocomplete and suggestion features will no longer appear while you're coding. This can help you stay focused and more engaged with your coding process. After making this change, your settings should take effect immediately. Replit doesn't require you to do anything else to save these changes. It's all handled seamlessly. You can now close the settings panel and return to your code editor, where you'll be free to work without the AI-driven suggestions. By following these simple steps, you've opted out of using the AI features that Replit offers. Remember, you can always reactivate these features if you decide you miss the assistance they provide. But for now, enjoy the experience of coding in a more traditional way, relying solely on your knowledge and skills. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!